Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.5% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has collapsed into the negative zone. Bitcoin has fallen 2.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has shifted sharply into the negative area. The price of gold has fallen 2.2% in the last three sessions. The RSI moved into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has gained 2.7% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI has moved sharply into the overbought zone.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Hedge funds are turning bullish on oil once again, betting the pandemic and investors' environmental focus has severely damaged companies' ability to ramp up production. Britain plans to tax retailers and tech companies whose profits have soared during the COVID-19 pandemic, according to leaked emails. European bonds gave Mario Draghi a seal of approval last week. However, the euro suggests he's not quite the silver bullet for the region's challenges.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. three-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT, Germany's industrial production at 700 GMT, Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 500 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey current will be released at 500 GMT. Japan's labor cash earnings at 23:30 GMT. Japan's money supply M2 Plus CD at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.